আজকে আমি এই ম্যাচটা আপনাদের খেলে দেখাবো। এখান থেকে আপনারা অনেক কয়টা ট্রিক শিখতে পারবেন। আপনারা সবসময় পাসিং করে খেলবেন, তাহলে আপনাদের গেমটা অনেক সুন্দর হবে।
He's been penalised for that challenge. Lovely passing here. He's got the ball and is in full sprint. Oh, it's a clear chance. Oh, the referee didn't hesitate there. It's a penalty.
আপনারা সবসময় মনে রাখবেন, যখন পেনাল্টি শট মারবেন তখন গোল বারের কানিতে শট মারবেন।
Confidently taken and made no mistake putting it away. That's his second goal. Defender then back on the ball. Makes the pass. Well timed then, great defending. Hits it on. He's headed the ball forward. Oh, confident defending. And it's opened up here. Regains possession. That would have been his third, but he's missed. Hooks it forward. Can he get it on target? Oh, he's saved it. He's waiting to pull the trigger. Off the woodwork. So close. Oh, he did really well there. He clears the ball to safety. What a chance. Put away. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. Some players will be glad to hear the half-time whistle. I don't think I've ever seen defending this bad. Surely the tie has been decided. And as we come to half-time, it's 3-0. One manager will be happy, the other absolutely fuming. That's nicely played. Cristiano Ronaldo. Poor distribution from the player. Confident pass. The striker picks it up. Oh, he tried his luck there, but it's just off target. Ah, that's out of play. Volleyed on.
আপনারা মনে রাখবেন, যখন 60 মিনিট হবে তখন প্লেয়ার বদলাবেন, তাহলে ওসব প্লেয়ারের এনার্জি কমে যাবে না।
pass there. And he's looking for the assist. contestant's flag is down. Dimitrescu saves. Gea. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Cristiano Ronaldo. Headed upfield. That wasn't a very good pass. This team really are controlling the game. Dimitrescu saves. He can't miss. Keeper stayed strong. Good interception. He's got the ball at his feet. Some really fluid passing on display. The fans are on their feet. He's missed and it hits the side netting. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout. That's good link-up play. And the referee calls time on this exhibition game. I wonder what the
ভিডিওটা ভালো
managers
লাগলে
learned
লাইক
about their
শেয়ার করুন।
squad.